Hello and welcome back to our series. We will perform some example in some couples of lecture. Now, first of all, I want to make you some learn about some concept in swapping two number, that is interchanging two values of two variable. Let's make by using third variable. Let's make A, B and C. Here this swapping means something like this: if two person have something in their hand, they want to exchange that things, then they need third person in between them, so that third person would hold one person things and the other person will hold to the first person, and again second person will get from the third person, and they will exchange a variable. We can make it by this example here. Let's make it. Suppose I have the value of A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 15. Let's interchange. First of all, A will give the value to C, and now A will get a value from B, and again B will get the value from C. This have given to him, and it has given to A, and this will again get the value, and it will get exchange. Let's print. Now if its exchange or not, A is equal to percentage D slash n, B is equal to percentage D. We will pass A for A and B for B. Let's simply run it. Yes, we have get A is equal to 15 and 10. Now there is no third person there, and how we can change? Now in real life it may or may not be possible to change without third person, but here it is possible. Let's make it. First of all, A will take all the value here. A is equal to A plus B, and now B will get the value by subtracting itself, means what he have previously will subtract it from the total of A, and it will get it. Now A will get value by subtracting what he have get in total minus what B has taken from him in current time. Let's make it and build and run it. It should give same answer. Yes, A is equal to 15 and B is equal to 10. What's happened here, I will explain in code. Here A is equal to 10 plus 15. Now here B will get, already A have 10 plus 15, 10 minus B have 15 in previous. It will subtract what B had previously. Now A had get total, we have assigned here A. A is equal to A had 10 plus 15. Now it will subtract what he has taken. Here it will take 10. Now it will be subtracted here. The result of B he have get here will be subtracted from the total that A had get, and it will answer 15. This is how we can swap two number. We can make that a user can enter from the keyboard too. You can make it yourself. It is easy. We have already done many things that we can take it from input. Let's learn about Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series, I will make some series 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 and so on. How this series works? There should be two fixed number 0 and 1, or there should be one number. We can increment this number. If there is two number, then third number would be the answer of previous two, sum of previous two number. Means when we add two number before this number, means this two, and we will get result here. Now we have get 2 by adding the previous two element. Here 3 we have get previous two element, adding to previous two element. Likewise this. How we can do? We will first of all we will make simple program here. Let's make int a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and I will take d, and I will take one variable more. I will simply print information enter number. I will scan it, percentage d ma ampersand n. Let's take the loop. For I is equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus, I plus plus, I should declare I here also. Let's make it run. First of all, we should print simply the first number, percentage d comma a. Simply print the a. Now d is equal to a plus b, means next number will be a plus b. Now a should be is equal to b and b should be equal to d. This is the simple code. What's happen here? This is the next number should be. This is the result of adding this first and second number, and now we have get the result here. Now we will print a. We are printing a 0, and we have to print this 1 2. So here it will print b here, and a will assign to b, and b will get the value of next number that we have get here. Let's run and see it. What result will we get? Something wrong is happening here. It is taking more time when I used to scan here. So it is taking, now it is again taking more time. Should come here. My compiler is making me so sad. Let's build and run it again. As we have get it, I will enter 8. Number of Fibonacci series should be 8. 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 2 4 6 8. I want to place here a tab and comma and tab, control S. I want to simply see if it works or not. I don't think how long it is taking for me. It is again taking time. Again run it simply. It is not running. Let's we have got it. I want to make this run fast, so please cooperate with me. I will pause this video for some time. Let's see that I have get it. I will enter 10 here. Yes, 1 1 1. This 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, 13 plus 8 is equal to 21, and so on. It will go up to more times. You want this, you can do this. Now just I want to do something here. Pass I is equal to 1. Let's pass it here. Doesn't, I will make it simply. I will erase it. Here I will make a is equal to 0, and I will make the function here, and a will be plus here. I will make fib a here. Let's make int fib int fib should be int. I will take it as n. This is here, n is a local variable, so it will not disturb here. It is also a local variable. Let's make it if n is equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, we have to simply return 0. Else if n is equal to 1, it should be written 1. Else it should recurs here. Return fi Fibonacci n minus 1 plus, I will make this in bracket, plus fi Fibonacci n minus 2. Why we have done this? We want to position of first and second number. I will explain it when I make it. I should test it here. Let's test it. Now it should run fast. Yes, let's make 8 2 4 6 8. Yes, we have got the correct answer. Now I will show how I will show this. Yes, I will minimize this. When I pass n here, it will move. I is equal to 1 up to 8 times. Here a is equal to 0. Here I pass 0. When I pass 0 here, I will make up to this. When I pass 0 here, it will get 0 and it will return 0, and 0 has been printed. Next time a has been incremented here, and again it will move to loop. A is equal to 1, I have put n here, and it will written from here 1 and it will print here. Now I have here a is equal to 2. When a is equal to 2 there, then in this position it will be 2 minus 1, it will go here. 2 minus 1 means it will 1, it will written 1, and in this position 2 minus n minus 2, it will again, it is calling itself here and it will move here, but n is now 0, it will return 0, and this both are added here. Now when it is 3, here this is 2 and this is a 1, it will simply add 1 plus it is 2, it will add again 1, it becomes 1. In this manner it will print whole number. This is we have done swapping and Fibonacci series. We will do more example in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video.